Welcome to Quack the Code Tech Tips, your ultimate guide to cracking the code of online learning at College of the Mainland. In each video, we'll bring you insightful tips and tricks to help you navigate the digital world and make the most of your educational experience. So let's get quacking and uncover the secrets to tech-savvy success. In this tutorial, we will review some common troubleshooting steps for LockDown browser. Having trouble installing LockDown browser? Here are some helpful troubleshooting techniques you can apply to the specific issue you're having. First, you need to be the administrator of your computer to install an app. If a login prompt appears after clicking on the downloaded installer file, this could mean you don't have local admin rights to your computer. If you are using a school-issued laptop, you will need to contact their IT help desk to complete the installation. This also includes any laptop obtained from the COM library. If you have tried to install and run LockDown browser but can't get it to work, you should perform an uninstall and start over. After you double-click on the installer file in your browser's download tray or in your computer's download folder, a pop-up will appear with the option to uninstall LockDown browser. Select the uninstall option and click Next, followed by Yes. Click Finish. Now you can double-click the installer file in your browser's download tray to begin a new installation. Don't forget that the installer file can also be accessed in your computer's download folder. If you are using an iPad, you will need to download and install LockDown browser directly from the Apple App Store. After obtaining LockDown browser, you can open any browser on your iPad and navigate to the quiz. After clicking Launch LockDown browser at the bottom of the quiz instructions, a Confirm App Self-Lock message will appear. Click Yes. If the quiz loads, but you see a blank white space, click on the Quiz tab, and you should see your quiz. Another issue you may encounter is the inability to download LockDown browser because your Windows computer is in S mode. S mode is a security feature for Windows 10 and 11 and will only allow you to obtain apps from the Microsoft Store. You will need to switch out of S mode to install LockDown browser. Please note that switching out of S mode is permanent. To determine if you have Windows 11 or Windows 10 in S mode, locate your Windows search bar and type in the word About. Then click Open. If you have it, you will see S mode appended to your operating system name. For the exact steps on how to exit out of S mode for your specific operating system, we recommend you go to Microsoft Support. Once on the site, type in Switch out of S mode in the search bar. Select the tab for your operating system and complete the steps for switching out of S mode. Now you can return to the quiz instructions to download and install LockDown browser. If none of these steps helped you today, you can search for your specific issue or submit a ticket directly to Respondus Technical Support